Namaskar and hello. I'm Kesavan, working with IPL Biologicals Limited, formerly known as International Panacea Limited. Our company is a leader in biological solution for agriculture. We have been serving farmers for over 25 years through biological solutions. IPL Biological Limited has world-class technology and innovation center based at Gurgaon, India. We have provided over 50 biological products and have 70 new innovative products in the pipeline. We are committed to help farmers increasing their yield, helping to improve their lives by finding agriculture solutions through harnessing the power of microbes. Today we are going to discuss about one of the widely used microbe, that is Verticillium lacani. Let us know first about the microbe, Varunasara. Varunasara is a bioinsecticide product from IPL containing Verticillium lacani, which has a very high CFE count. It is available in liquid form with CFE count of 2 into 10 power of 8 cells per ml. It means 20 crores of viable microbial cells available in 1 ml of Varunasara. Well, now let us see how it works and what are the benefits are. So Verticillium lacani fungal produces several toxins like bacillinoid and other insecticidal toxins such as dipicolinic acid, which infects aphids, whiteflies, scales, insect and cause mortality. So the spores of this fungus will come in contact with the cuticle of the target insect, they germinate and grow directly through the cuticle to the inner body of the host. Now we will see how to use Varunasara and what will be the dose. So it is mainly used in the foliar spray. So we have to use 5 to 10 ml of Varunasara per liter of water and stir well to uniform suspension and spray immediately on the target pest during early morning or evening hours by using high volume spray. Cover both sides of the leaf with spray solution. So for foliar spray, we can use it in a powder formulation of the Verticillium is there. It is called Verticillium L. We can use 7.5 grams to 10 grams of per liter of water. So, and also we have to stir well to form a uniform suspension and spray immediately on the target pest during the morning hours or evening hours by using the high volume spray cover both sides of the leaves with the spray solutions. So now we can use it on all the crops, especially on cereals, pulses, oilseed crops, cotton and vegetable crops, tree crops and plantation crops like cardamom and other vegetable crops. So there are similar type of microbes available in the market, but Varunasara is the most special. Why? Because it is a history of 25 years of intensive study and research, and it has a high quality virulent strains, and also it belongs to IPL family, which has been working in the sector for 25 years and will continue to serve the farmers in this area for the next several years. This product is certified by IMO and Indocin, and also it registered under Central Insecticide Board in India. It is called CIB. So whenever you go and buy Verticillium lacani or similar microbial insecticide, make sure that the product is certified by these institutions and certified by CIB. Thank you.
है ये हमारा वादा, खेत सुरक्षित फसल ज्यादा।